In this video, we're going to solve a question from the Philippine Math Olympiad National Stage World Competition. What's the least 6-digit natural number that's divisible by 198? Then how to solve this question? So let's start from the least 6-digit natural number, which is just 1 followed by 5 zeros. 100,000 then equals 198 times 505 plus 10. Then you see this part is divisible by 198, but this part is not. So then what can we do here? So it will be divisible by 198. Then just plus 198 minus 10. You see, these two canceled. This one is divisible by 198. So we have just this number, 100,000, plus this number, 198 minus 10, just equals 100,000, 188. So this number is a least 6-digit natural number that's divisible by 198. Thanks for watching.